How to transfer money from Revolut to Wise. Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Solutions. In today's video, I'll guide you through a quick and easy process, transferring money from your Revolut account to Wise. If you're into cryptocurrency trading, this is a must watch. Let's dive right in. First, open Revolut app. Click on the transfer option. There are many payment options, like bank, card, contact, etc. Here I'm showing you some functions of the bank option. First, you need to fill in your country name, currency, etc. with all your information. You have to give your bank account number, SWIFT code, etc. So far, I've shown you how you can do transactions with the bank. Then exit here and go to the search option here and type WISE. Then click on the Show Rev Tag Result option. Then click here. Then verify your ID. So click on the Verify Now option. Then select your address. Then click on the Continue button from here. Then confirm with the information you have from here. And there you have it, folks. Sending money from Revolut to Wise is a straightforward process. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy trading!